Alright, so welcome to the first video of the course, and in this video basically I'm going to talk about is why is volume important and how it plays a role in your trading, because we're going to step into the theory part a little bit before I can take you into the practical parts, okay? So let's understand why is this important. Realize one thing, that everything that we do in the market is operated by the larger players, right? It is the larger players doing business amongst each other, and us as smaller traders, we only feed into that system little by little, but it's just large transactions taking place left and right. It is when those transactions go out of balance because the transaction amount decreases on one end and increases on the other end that the market starts shifting, right? So it's a larger player's game. Now, if it's a larger player game, we want to be aware of everything the larger player does. Okay, so that's one of the things where volume comes very much in handy, and so we want to discuss that today. That in everything that we do, we want to be aware of what is the big boy doing, what are his intentions or her intentions, if you want to put it that way, and also where is he looking to take the market to. Now, notice I'm using the word as the big boy as I'm referring to as one person. It's a whole bunch of people there. The market is really, really large, but I'm just going to refer to it as if it's one person, right? And it's one just major big boy, and we're trying to understand what he is trying to do. Okay, so if any pattern that you see, right? If you're looking at a pattern, let's say you're a trend pullback trader, and then we discussed it in the previous video, whether you're a trend trader, you're a range trader, breakout trader, or you're a channel trader, systematic trader, or using systems and stuff like that, you need any pattern that shows up on your screen comes with a support of this pattern was developed by a larger player. But here's the thing, when a market is in for example, a congestion, right? It's in a range. Let's say it's bouncing up and forth, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And when it actually breaks, how certain are you that that break was due to a larger player? Okay? And if it was due to a larger player, how do you know if any steps you take after that are going to succeed or not? Okay? So we're going to touch base on all of these things piece by piece. So in the next video, I'm going to first help you on setting up your charts onto it. I personally use TradingView. You can use MetaTrader, you can use whatever charting platform you use, but if your broker or your charting platform does not have volume onto it, you can obviously go on to tradingview.com and just use the charts over there. Okay, so let's head to the next video and I'll help you set up your charts.